It's a fact. ChatGPT is complete garbage for us marketers. No matter how much faith you had in ChatGPT, it just doesn't cut it, does it? It can't compose copy that stirs the soul, nor inspire a compelling call to action. Worse yet, remember how mortifying it was when your cutting-edge AI copy was publicly ridiculed on social platforms? Humiliating, isn't it? Have you seen the movie Ex Machina? Then you should know just AI isn't the miracle cure for your marketing woes. It takes a human touch, a soulful connection between you and your reader to create high-converting copy that doesn't just move people to take action, but changes their lives. Sure, ChatGPT can spit out words, phrases, and sentences, but it doesn't have context, emotion, creativity, or originality or accuracy. I tried ChatGPT for months, and all it left me was with a headache. It took me months to realize the truth. ChatGPT wasn't the answer to my prayers. Mastering ChatGPT's prompt system is like deciphering a foreign language. Even with meticulous prompts, ChatGPT often returns unhelpful and irrelevant content. Writing, editing, and refining prompts for ChatGPT is a time-consuming and energy-sapping ordeal. ChatGPT outputs often contain errors and misinformation, necessitating painstaking fact checks. But what if there was a better way? What if you could create high-converting, context-based, emotionally intelligent marketing copy that's 10 times your sales in 10 times less time, without resorting to ChatGPT's uninspiring content? Buckle up, because we're about to take a thrilling journey into the future of copywriting. The future where AI doesn't replace human creativity, but amplifies it. Hi, my name is Rawat, and I'm a marketing nerd that loves to solve complicated problems, especially for online marketers. And I'm super grateful to be able to help over 50,000 marketers worldwide succeed with my training, strategies, and softwares, which in turn has generated me over $2 million in sales in the last 4 years. I was the biggest fan of AI and ChatGPT. I was thrilled by the thought that this tool could revolutionize my marketing copy and skyrocket my sales. I spent countless hours tweaking prompts, refining the output, and even conducting tedious fact checks. Yet, all it rewarded me was disappointment and frustration. I actually lost money, got ridiculed, and failed. I just couldn't make it work. I had no choice but to admit my defeat. AI, ChatGPT, it was time to move on from them and find a better way. Then came the barrage of AI copywriting tools and solutions. I kept buying them, paying over $500 every month. Each new tool, each new promise seemed like a ray of hope, but it was nothing but false hope. These tools were not solving my problems, they were creating them. For months I kept using them, kept learning, kept testing and modifying. Finally, after months of trial and error, I started to see some results. I started seeing my sales grow, and my marketing copy became more effective. My research unearthed a unique blend of AI and human copywriting that would 10 times my sales. No more tweaking prompts, no more tedious fact-checking, no more frustrated customers. Suddenly, it hit me. AI alone is simply not enough. It lacked the empathy, the emotion, the authenticity that my audience craved. AI could give me words, yes, but it couldn't give me the heart and soul that my copy needed. So I began to infuse my AI-generated copy with my own emotions, experiences, and insights. This combination of AI speed and my own emotional intelligence proved to be a game-changer. This wasn't just about selling a product anymore. It was about connecting with my audience on a deeper level. It was about changing lives through words. So I set out to craft a new system, one that could combine the power of AI with the emotional depth of a copywriter's words. The result was beyond anything I could have ever imagined. My sales 10 times in just 10 times less time. And more importantly, my customers were finally satisfied with my copy. I decided to create my own marketer-friendly, pocket-friendly AI copy tool that could take any business to new heights. It's an AI-driven, emotionally intelligent copywriting tool that can generate high-converting, context-based, and emotionally intelligent marketing copy in just seconds. No more paying huge monthly fees, no more writing weird prompts, and no more frustrated customers. Introducing CopyMachina. Create high-converting, context-based, emotionally intelligent marketing copy in seconds in any niche or language. 10 times your sales in 10 times less time. Create unlimited, high-converting, tone-based emotional copies in one click for your blogs, websites, videos, emails, ads, social media posts, e-com products, and beyond, in any niche, any language. It takes just a few simple steps and a few seconds. Step 1. Select from over 33 plus predefined automated copywriting templates. Step 2. Just enter a few keywords, select your preferences, creativity, emotional tone, and our AI will automatically generate context-based and high-converting copy in seconds. Step 3. Add your personal touch. Make it unique, authentic, and watch your sales and traffic skyrocket. You don't have to break the bank or spend hours perfecting your copy. You can get it right the first time, every time, with our AI copy tool. Here are some of the awesome benefits you get when you get CopyMachina today. 1. Dominate your niche and gain an unfair advantage over your competitors with compelling, unique content that no one else has. 2. Easily create high-converting, context-based, emotionally intelligent marketing copy in seconds with AI technology. 3. 10 times your sales in just a fraction of the time with measurable results using AI-generated copy. 4. Save hundreds of dollars on monthly fees and unnecessary tools by using CopyMachina for a fraction of the cost. 5. Create authentic, resonating copy that reflects your brand and drives conversions every single time. 6. Build strong connections and become a trusted authority with emotionally intelligent messaging. 7. Perfect for newbies and struggling marketers. No prior experience or knowledge of copywriting needed. 8. Save time, energy, and stress by skipping tedious fact-checking and tweaking prompts with our AI tool. 9. See an instant ROI on your investment and lasting results with our one-time payment option and low pricing. Not just that, we are constantly adding new features to this software, so you'll always get the latest and best version that comes out. So, what's the price? Imagine spending hundreds or even thousands on copywriting services and courses, getting stuck in monthly payments for useless AI tools, even more wasting hours and hours trying to write copy yourself, only to end up with dry, generic content that doesn't convert. With CopyMachina, you save time, money, and see immediate results at a fraction of the cost. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. Just one affordable price for powerful emotional writing that 10 times your sales in 10 times less time. So how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we'll be turning the price into a monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure that we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way, we'll be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features, and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Don't let this opportunity pass you by or you will regret it later. CopyMachina is the best, fastest, and easiest way to create high-converting, emotionally intelligent copy that will skyrocket your sales and help you achieve your business goals. If you don't take action now, you'll miss out on being one of the first to experience the power of AI copywriting with CopyMachina. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the CopyMachina AI at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.